What's up, guys? It's day 11 of our trading challenge. So we're going to see so far in 10 days we've made 2,917.08. So now we're going to see how much it's going to make in on day 11, how much it made on day 11. And of course, this day 11 is going to be on the 29th of June to 30th of June. We're going to see how much it made on this day. So on this day, it's the highest it's made so far. So this is 1,301.64 rands. So now in total we have from the 19th of June to the 30th, we have, let's see, so we have 3,831.61 rands. That's not a very bad thing considering that we have done this in 11 days. Well, ladies and gentlemen, ensure that you follow me for more information regarding this trading challenge.